It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, April 30th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather dry, at least the northern two-thirds of the state today. We're dry statewide tomorrow. And then late Sunday into next week, things get unsettled for a while. We'll start with the upper air look across the country. Early this morning, this is based on the upper air data from last night. Once again, there's an upper low that's located just to the west-southwest of El Paso, Texas. We have a trough over the northeast United States and a surface front pushing down into South Alabama. In advance of that front, we have a few thunderstorms. That was the radar early this morning, a little before 5 o'clock. Pretty decent storm over southern Choctaw County. Then some showers and storms back into Mississippi. The better chance of rain today will be over the southwestern corner of the state. Much of Alabama will be dry. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s to start today. High should be in the mid to upper 70s this afternoon. There's the watch warning map. We note flash flood watches in effect for parts of Southeast Texas and the Texas coastal plain. Wind advisories for the northeast United States. Otherwise, things pretty quiet. There's the severe weather risks for today and tonight. A marginal risk over the southern tip of Texas. Tomorrow, parts of Texas with a marginal risk. Also one up around the Great Lakes. And Sunday, day 3, we have a risk of severe storms across parts of the deep south. You can see we have the level 2 out of 5 threat kind of nosing into the far western part of the state. And again, keep in mind, this outlook runs through 7 a.m. Monday. The storms in Mississippi will likely form during the day Sunday. For Alabama, the activity mainly Sunday night. But we've got that slight risk near the Mississippi border, a marginal risk Sunday night as far east as Smith Lake and Vance and Gulf Shores. And we'll talk more about this in just a second. And then day 4, Monday, a risk of severe storms defined west of the state for parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, and Kansas. Rain, heaviest rain across the entire country right here. This is suggesting parts of the state could see between 4 and 5 inches of rain between now and Friday morning of next week, as a pretty wet pattern sets up for at least the first half of next week. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4, troughing in the northeast, the upper low just to the south of El Paso, Texas. And again, any showers today should be over the southwestern part of the state. The northern half of Alabama should be dry, the sky mostly sunny there with highs in the mid to upper 70s. Tomorrow, a beautiful day statewide, lots of sunshine, the high close to 80. This is Sunday. That feature lifts out of Texas, and you can see rain and thunderstorms just west of the state, and then that activity comes in here Sunday night. And some of the storms could be strong. We'll watch the parameters over the weekend. I'd say the better severe weather setup would be west of the state Sunday afternoon, but they could be relatively strong Sunday night. And then Monday, we've got this moist, unstable air mass that's just going to sit in place all week, and we're going to have some chance of showers and thunderstorms each day. Here's Tuesday. A series of waves will be coming through here. This is Wednesday. And along the way, we'll probably have a few strong, maybe severe storms, but trying to define that window, almost impossible now. This is Thursday. Got a cold front coming in. And a week from today, Friday the 7th, pretty deep trough on the eastern seaboard. And that's going to push some drier and cooler air down and through here with rain moving off to the east. So again, the bottom line, we'll have a good chance of showers and thunderstorms Monday through Thursday of next week. Along the way, the rain might be heavy at times. We could see a few strong to severe storms, but again, defining the specific windows with the heaviest rain, the better chance of the heavier storms, a little tough to do. We'll be doing that over the weekend. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, May 9th, the zonal flow, and we're dry with showers just off to the west. This is the rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean between 3 and 4 inches between now and the 15th of May. Temperatures up in the middle 80s Monday and Tuesday of next week, and then we cool down a bit toward the end of next week with highs back in the middle 70s. And the CPC outlook, this is for May 7th through May 13th, suggesting temperatures here could be a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with two N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.